this. You know exactly what we do here. This is what you do when you want to resurface your ponds, your hatchery tanks. You understand? When you want to resurface your hatchery tank, when there are too many holes and you're having disease outbreak, sometimes you need to resurface it. You have to, not sometimes, you need to resurface it. You understand? So here now we use it to cut fish. So we need to resurface it. Flies don't get through the day, so we don't get holes. You know? So sometimes we now resurface it ourselves. Not every time we the call person they can do it for you. You know? It's not about talking. It's about practicalizing. That's the hallmark of Magnificat Farms and Fisheries. We know they just talk. We talk, we do. We show people how it's done. So that they can learn. If you spend money and every time you want to do something, you will not be able to get things done. It will cost you. That's why you need to learn it. It's not only about learning how to hatch. Sometimes you need to do all this, and that's why as a lecturer, you teach people the fish farm engineering, you teach people plastering, you teach people plumbing. You understand? So that all my students, they know what they are doing and they are confident. This is Magnificat Farms and Fisheries, and we are working. And like I always say, this is Magnificat Dr. Ekeledo. Akanebo as one na Libo. Ayadega Abo na one where we dey. Now only one where they keep fish in the whole southeast. We know they too. Boom. Let's go.